Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. In this video, we are going to see the day 15 daily score booster questions. And these are the contents we are going to see in this video. Let's move with our questions starting with the simplifications. Let's see the question number 1. Here 12 into 34 divided by 102. 17 2 times will be 34, 17 6 times will be 102. So 6 2 times 2 into 2 4. So the total value of the left hand side will be 4. 4 equals to, this is 12. Cube root of 1728 is nothing but 12. 12 divided by root x. So for 3 times root x value 3 means x value will be 3 square 9. So option A is the answer. Next question number 2. Here we have 34 square which will be 1156. This minus comes other side with a positive, and 44 square minus of 1936 whole equals to x square. So eliminating 6 we left with 9 at the unit digit. 5 minus 3 2, 26 minus 19 which will be 7. 729 equals to x square means x value will be 27. Option B is the answer. Next question number 3. Here we can write this as a 75 percentage of 360. So 3/4 of 360 for 90 times 93 times 270. Here we have 39 times which will be 117. This comes other side with the plus 54. So what we have is unit digit 1 and 6 7 7 7 14 4. So 441 equals to x square. So our answer will be option D 21. Next question number 4. We can write this as a 135 into 2 into 3. This becomes a 270. 270 into 3 which will be 810. So the value for this one will be 810. Next 77 into 3. 77 into 3, 7 3 times, 21 into 11 times means sum of these two in between them, 231. So 810 minus 231. Here minus 17 comes this side with a plus 17. 14 square which will be 196 comes other side with a minus. So this is what we need to find. Here unit digits 7 minus 7 0. Here we have 12. So 2 and 2 eliminates 0. Here 4 means 400. So 400 equals to x square means answer will be option B 20. Next question number 5. 5 divided by 26 into 15 10 times 150. 156 divided by 15. So 5 3 times, 13 2 times and 13 12 times, 3 4 times, 4 2 times. So we get 2 for this total part. Next here we see 7 plus 8 which will be 15, and fraction value sum will be 8 by 11 plus 3 by 11 which will be 1. So we have answer 2 plus 15 plus 1 18. Option C is the answer. Next question number 6. 6857 minus 2675 minus 1766 plus 189, and here we have minus 150. So unit digit 11. First we will calculate this one. 11 7 7 14 14 19 14 15 4. So we need to eliminate this from total of this one. So eliminating 1 means we left with 16 15. So unit digit 5. Next eliminating 9 we left with 5. 9 minus 5 4. 6 minus 4 2. So 2 4 5 option D is the answer. Next question number 7. 35 percentage of 340. Here I see percentage 5 multiple, single 0 and 2 multiple. So how we do is 5 7 times 35, 2 17 times 34. This is the value for this one. 17 7 times will be 119 into This will becomes 11 3 times. 33 plus 2, 35 divided by 11 into 5 2 times. 10 plus 1, 11 by 5. So 5 7 times, 11 and 11 cancels. 9 7 times 63. 11 7 times 77 plus 6, 83. So 833 is here. This comes other side with minus. Minus 2 57 means 3 plus 3, 6 at the unit digit. Here we have 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 576 equals to x square. So our answer will be 24, option A. Next, question number 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here LCM of all the value will be 12. 3, 4, 3 times. 3 3 times 9 plus 3 4 times. So plus 4 minus 4 3 times. So 3 here plus 3 4 times. 4 2 times 8. So we left with 9 9 18. So 6 18 divided by 12. 6 2 times, 6 3 times. So what we left is 7 1 by 2. So this is our answer. So option B is the answer. Next, question number 9. 31 square, 961, 17 square, 289, 1421. This comes other side with 973 in the minus. Minus 9 cube, 729. So here we have values of 12, 10, 17. So eliminating them, we have 9 at the unit digit. 10 16. We need to eliminate 7. We left with 9. So 969 is the answer. So option B is the answer for this one. Next, question number 10. 19 3 times is 57 plus 3 into 15, which will be 45. Next, minus 9 13 times 117. This comes other side with plus 129. Here plus 113 comes other side with minus 113. So total we have 10 3 230 here. Here we have 17 7 1 177. So 23 plus 30 53. So minus 53 is the answer for this one. So option D is the answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equation questions. Question number 1. 285. 15 19 times is 285. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be in positive. Next one, 156 means 13 12 times is 156. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be in positive. Comparing these two, it is very clear that x is greater than y. Next, question number 2. 9 8 times is 72. 9 8 times. Minus and plus means both the roots will be in positive. 56. 8 7 times. Minus and plus means both the roots will be in positive. So answer will be x greater than or equals to y. Next, question number 3. 168. 14 12 times is 168. Minus and plus means both the roots will be in positive. This will be plus 12 and minus 12. So comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y. Next, question number 4. 279. I can see 9 here. So 21 9 times. Sorry. Question number 4. 279. I can see 9 here. 9 3 times and 1 times. So 31 9 times we get 40. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be in positive. Next, 45. 45 means 9 5 times. Minus and plus means both the root signs will be in positive. Comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y is the answer. Next, question number 5. This question takes a little time. First we need to make the coefficient of y equal by multiplying this with 9, this with 5. So we have 9 13 times 117x plus 45y equals to 900. On the other side we have this thing as 55x plus 9 5 times 45y equals to 10 divided by 2, 2 5 times 9 times and a 0. Okay, so let's eliminate these two. We left with 2 5 plus 1 62x equals to, this becomes 10, 8 minus 5 310. So 62 5 times x value is 5. Placing that x in one of the equation, we have 55x 55 minus 118. 5 into 11 55 plus 9y equals to 118. So 9y equals to minus 55 for the 118. Here we have 363 9 7 times. So y value we got 7, x value 5. Comparing these two, x is the lesser than y is the answer. Next, now we are going to see wrong number series questions. Question number 1. Here we see a difference of 10. Here we see a difference of plus 11. Here we see a difference of plus 13. Here the difference between these two is plus 17. Here the difference between these two is plus 14. In this we don't see any pattern. So we are going to check sum of the digits. Here we have sum of the digits 10. Here we have sum of the digits becomes 11. Sum of the digits 13. Here sum of the digits is 17. So here the sum of the digits is 16, not 14. So our answer will be last one, 210 is the answer. So option E is our answer. Next, question number 2. Here difference between these two is 5. Difference between these two is 25. Next one, difference between these two is 0 at the end, 6. Here the difference between these two is 0 to 1. Difference between these two is 0 1 2. So these numbers are familiar to me as a cube minus something. 2 cube minus 3 cube minus 3 minus 2. This is 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6. So these two doesn't follow the same pattern. So these two are wrong, means here in between 24 is our wrong number. Next, question number 3. Here 30 becomes 15 means into half times. Next, it must be into 1 times. So instead of 10 we write this as a 15. Next one, into 1.5 times we get a 22.5. So our wrong number is 10 now. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, we see the difference between these two is 2. Here the difference between these two is 1 to 1. Next one, difference between these two is 1 4 4. Difference between these two is 1 6 9. So these numbers are familiar to me as a cube square values. 11 square, 21 square, 31 square. So it must be 1 square. So this is our wrong number. 28 is the wrong one. Next, question number 5. Here the difference between these two is 1. Here the difference is 15. Sorry, 11. Here the difference between these two is 1 1 1 triple 1. Next difference is 1 1 4 ones. Next difference is not 5 ones. So this is our wrong number. 1 2. So the pattern is missing, so this is our wrong number. Next, now we are going to see missing number series questions. Question number 1. Here in question number 1, the difference between these two, we see minus 23. Here the difference between these two is minus 21. Here the difference between these two is minus 19. Here the difference between these two is minus 17. So the next one must be minus 15. So minus 15 means 167 minus 15 will be 152. So answer will be option A, 152. Next, question number 2. Here difference between these two, which will be 81. Here the difference between these two is 11 plus 16, 27. So this is a 3 cube, this is 3 power 4. So let's see the difference between these two, 9. So 3 square 9. Here we have a difference of 3. So 3 power 1 3. So the next one must be 3 power 0, which will be 1. So answer will be 129. Option B is the answer. Next, question number 3. In question number 3, here it looks like into 3 times minus 1. This is 12 becomes 51, means into 4 times minus 1. Okay. Next, it must be into 5 times minus 1. Okay, clear. So it must be into 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So 23 minus 1, 22. So option C is the answer. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, here we see a difference of plus 13. Difference between these two is plus 17. Difference between these two, plus 19. So 13, 17, 19. So the next one must be plus 23. So 1572 plus 23, which will be 1595. So option A is the answer. Next, question number 5. In question number 5, it is into 3 times, division of 4 times, into 5 times. So it must be division of 2. Here it is multiplication of 1. So answer will be 48. Option B is the answer. Now we are going to see inequalities questions. First, the flow from O to A. From O, here is O, there is no flow from O. So this case directly fails. Flow from G to Q. From G we need to reach to Q. So from G we can able to reach to D. From D we can able to flow to Q. So second conclusion will be true. Next, second question, flow from F to Z. Here is F and here is Z. Common element between them is Y. So flow from F to Y is possible, and from Y we can reach to Z, but everywhere there is equal to also. So individual case of these two fails. Combiningly these two becomes a complementary pair. So answer will be either 1 or 2. Next, question number 3. Flow from F to B with everywhere equal to also. Here is F, here is B. Common will be L. So flow from F to L is possible. From L we can reach to B, and everywhere there is equal to also. So first conclusion will be true. Flow from E to G. Here is E, here is G. In between the common word for these two will be Q. So the flow from E to Q is possible. From Q to G is also possible. So our answer will be true. So both 1 and 2 are true here. Next, now we are going to see syllogisms. First, question number 1. Here first we need to draw Venn diagrams for the given statements. Some keyboard is a monitor. All monitor is a mouse. Only a few mouse is a printer. So conclusions, some keyboard is a printer. There is no direct relation between them, so this case fails. No keyboard is a printer. We can share some part of keyboard with the printer is possible, so no case also fails. But combining these two, we have a complementary pair, so answer will be either 1 or 2. Okay, next we are moving to question number 2. No bottle is tiffin. Only bag is box. So box doesn't share with anything except bag. Some bottles is bag. So some bottles is bag. And no bottle is a tiffin. So let's see the conclusions. So some tiffin can be box. Some part of tiffin can share with box. Box doesn't share with anything except bag. So this case fails. Here we see not. So we check all bag can be tiffin or not. Can we place all bag inside a tiffin? It is not possible because of box. So all case fails means no case will be true. So only 2 is true here. Next question number 3. Only lentils is rice. So rice doesn't share with anything except lentils. Some lentils is wheat. Each wheat is jowar means every wheat is jowar. Next one. Conclusions. Some jowar is lentil. Jowar sharing some part with lentil. Yes, it is true. All wheat is a rice. Can we place all wheat? Here it is not possible. It is a direct conclusion. There is no direct relation between wheat and rice. So this one fails. Next question number 4. Only a few fan is cooler. No cooler is AC. Some heater is AC. Conclusions. Here we see not. So we check all fan can be AC or not. Can we place all fan inside AC? It is not possible. All case not possible means some not case will be true. Next here also we see not. So we check all heater can be cooler or not. Can we place all heater inside cooler? It is also not possible. All case not possible means no case will be fail. No case will be true. Next question number 5. Only train is a bus. So bus doesn't share with anything except a train. Some van is a train. No truck is a van. So let's see conclusions. All bus being van is a possibility. Can we place all bus inside a van? Bus doesn't share with anything except a train, so this case fails. Here we see not. So we check some train. All train can be truck or not. Can we place all train inside truck? It is not possible because of bus. So all case fails. All case fail means not case will be true. Next. Now we are going to see coding and decoding questions. First we need to decode the codes for each of the one. So let's see the first question. What is asked? What is the code for a Snow White? Snow White is seen in a second line, and remaining words are common in other statements. So the only single one in the second statement is our answer. So IW I see in in the third statements. DB I don't see anywhere. So answer will be DB. Option A is the answer for this one. Next question number 2. What is code for Elsa? Here in this Elsa is here and there is no Elsa in other where. We see Jasmine and Tena in the second statement and Cinderella we see in the first statement. So the only one in last statement is the answer. So SB I see in the first statement, IW see in the second statement, SW seen in second statement. So NB is the answer for this one. So answer will be option D. Next, what is the code for Cinderella? Belly. Cinderella we see in the first and last statements. So SB we see in first and last. So SB. Belly we see in the first statement. Belly doesn't see in any other statements, and Barbie also we don't see in other statements. So we get two possibilities for Belly and Barbie. So our answer will be cannot be determined. Next, question number 4. DB is a single one in a second statement, which is nothing but the Snow White. Next, IW is here and SW is also common. So IW got possibilities. which are Jasmine and Taina. So our answer must be Snow White, Jasmine, or Snow White, Taina. So option A or option C is the answer. So either option E is the answer for this one, which is either A or C. Now we are going to see question number 5. Rapunzel and Moana. Here we see these two are common in these two statements. IB no, IW no, DB no, SV we seen in first and second statements. So SV is common for this one. Moana, we don't see this word in our given quotes. So it must be none of the quotes in the given above. So SV, HV we don't see in our statements. So this is our answer. Next, we are going to see directions puzzles. Now this is what we got as our directions. Let's see what is the question that is asked. What is the direction of R with respect to T? R is in northwest, so option B is the answer for this one. In question number 2 there is some typing mistakes, so let's move to the question number 3. What is the direction of S with respect to O? Direction of S with respect to O is southwest, so option D is the answer for this one. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. If you want to improve your score in arithmetic, the best books and their official purchase link will be given in the description. Please go through the link and purchase the books. Thanks for watching.